Let's double by side, side.
This is the last time I can possibly take this class. I've got a 69 average. Could you just give me one more point so I'll pass this class this semester, please?
So you just need 1 point
Just
to
one
pass the
point. All I
class.
need is 1 point.
Okay.
Just 1 point.
Okay, so we'll have to talk about that to see what really 1 point means in your average.
But I have a 69 average. I just need 1 point to make
1
a 70.
point. Okay.
I've taken this class 6 times. I've got to get out of here this time.
Okay, we'll see, John, what we can do for you.
Percentages in mathematics is a way to represent how many parts out of 100 is a way to express a number as a fraction per hundred. It comes from the Latin word centum, meaning per hundred, and is often denoted with the percent symbol that we see here. I'm trying to see what to do with John, so I decided to create these 10 boxes to see if I can explain to John what he really needs, or try to figure out what he really needs. In this box here, each box represents 10 points, so we have here 100 points. So the 1%, it will be 10 out of 100. In John's math class, we had the opportunity to accumulate 1,000 points. So I said, okay, so that will mean that I need to have 10 bars, and each bar will be 100, and I broke it down into 10 pieces, and now we have the 1,000 points here for the class. Then I represented John's grade by shading 69 out of the 1,000 boxes, so that will be equivalent to 690 points. So now that I have a good picture about John's grade, I'm gonna see if I really know how to explain to him if he really needs the 1 point. So let's see what comes out of this. Okay, the grade distribution in the class, we have it set up that in order for you to earn the A, you need 900 boxes out of 1,000 to get the 90%. To earn the B, you will need 800 boxes out of 1,000. And to earn the C that John is looking for, he needs 700 boxes out of 1,000 to get the 70%. And then that's why he's asking for the 70% to pass the class. I was wondering, what does John really need to pass the class? Is it really the 1 point that he asked me for? Is it 10 points? Is it 1%? 100 points? I don't know what to do. I'm going to give you some time because I need to think about this, and then I'll come back and see if I can figure this out for John. Hopefully by now you have had enough time to figure this one out. What does John need to pass this math class? Is it 1 point? If John, as he asked for 1 point, gets 1 point, he will have, his average will be 69.1%. And that is not enough to pass the class with the 70%. If he asks for 10 points, then he's asking for 10 points out of the total number of points that we have accumulated in this class, that is 1,000 points. So it's 10 points out of 1,000, and that is equivalent to 1%, which is exactly what John needs in order to pass this class. Questions answer C provides you with the answer of 1%. So answers B and C are equivalent, but they are expressed in different forms. So both of them will be acceptable, but you have to express them in the right context. Then 100 points, that's really absolutely too much. So hopefully by now John would really understand that he is really asking for a lot. And the best thing to do is for him to study for this final exam to earn those 10 additional points that he needs in order to pass this class.